Hi, my name's Xavier and today I'm going to be doing a review on the Blacksmith workshop. It comes with two minifigures. There's Kai and Cruncher. Kai's the fire ninja and Cruncher is Knuckles' helper. It comes with two minifigures, 7 weapons, and the map, which shows to the 4 weapons of Spin Jitsu. Now I'm going to show you the roof action. You can lift the roof up and it shows Kai's swords, and this bit turns around when you lift the roof up. Here, there's just a chicken drumstick and a hammer for hammering the swords to see if they're strong. And this is where he puts the swords and he stands behind it with his hammer. Thank you for watching my Ninjago review. Goodbye.